Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonali. So in this current session, we'll discuss about how to sort data by using logical operator. Logical operator in the sense not and or. So by using logical operator, we can sort data as well. So before that, we should know some rules about and or. I think on the engineering also, you people means know about that. Like when we are using or means that is means not forcible. Like if suppose I'm giving you one example, suppose I want data that uh, name is Ram or city is Mumbai, means I need data, means those people name is Ram, I need that record as well, and also those people name is something else but city in Mumbai, that data also I need. Means here also city is something else but name is Ram, means I am getting combined data. Like or operator means I am getting combined data. Okay, means if one condition also true, then data I will get here. But when I people means when I use and operator, what happened? No, it's bound. Like when I put and operator means Ram name is Ram and that city is Mumbai. Then I need only particular data. Those name is Ram and city is Mumbai only. So this is the difference, that and or. So we'll see here. So see here I want to select star from our table name. After that demo where suppose I want to get suppose I want to get first name equal Manas. Okay, first name equal Manas or last name equal Padhi. Okay, first name equal to Manas and last name equal to Padhi. So I am getting two records now. One first Padhi is the second name for both, but one is first name is Manas, that information. Second first name is Vanilla. Also in that name also I am getting. If I put here end, then I'll get only, sorry, how data is not there kya? Manas and iska it's there. Then I need to put here Manas and I'm getting now. It's case sensitive. Okay, so you need to take care of that as well. So this is Manas. So only one record is find out. So here we are getting more reliable information, where some sensitive information you are going to execute. That time you can use and or any combination of data, then you can use or. So this is the logical operator guy, and not operator is there. Like I saw one example, like how you are getting data when we are you want like suppose here also one more example I'll show you with the not operator. Select star, I'll copy up to here. I'll copy up to here. Okay, so this example only I'll show you, like how will use not operator. So this is the last name equal to Padhi. After that I put last name is not okay. Here what happened? No, I put just not. So not. So where all the records, those names are last name as not Padhi, that record means excluded, and all the records we are getting. So hope everyone clear. I just shown you with the practical. So now please go and create one demo database and create one table, and there you just practice these things. Then you, when you practice more, then only you will get. Practice makes man perfect, right? So you have to practice these things. Related this, if any doubt is means coming to your mind, please comment me below. I will be there available for all the time. If I am busy also, after some time I will be give the reply to you. So thank you guys. Please share with your friends, those are have interest to learn SQL, and those are struggling to get job for the SQL. Please share with them. And any doubt anytime, please comment. I will be available for you guys. Thank you so much. Subscribe it. Take care. Bye bye.